On June 11, PNC Infratech shares plummeted over 9% to 471 rupees each following the Central Bureau of Investigations (CBI) search operations. These searches were conducted at the homes of Managing Director Yogesh Kumar Jain, Whole-time Director Talluri Raghupati Rao, and the company's Agra office, linked to a 10 lakh rupees bribery case. Despite these operations, MD Ik Jain and Whole-time Director TR Rao were not detained. However, 4 employees, Satyanarayan Anguluri, Brijesh Mishra, Anil Jain, and Shubham Jain, were arrested, as confirmed by the company in an exchange filing. Additionally, YK Jain received a summons to appear at the CBI office in New Delhi. According to reports, the CBI had apprehended 2 officials from the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) in Madhya Pradesh. These officials were caught accepting a 10 lakh rupees bribe from PNC employees. The bribe was allegedly for the final approval, the issuance of a no objection certificate (NOC), and processing the final bill for the NHAI's Jhansi Khajuraho project. On June 11, Suzlon Energy's shares surged more than 4% to 49 rupees and 20 paise each after securing a 103.9 megawatt order from AMPIN Energy Transition. This order involves installing 33 wind turbine generators with hybrid lattice tubular towers in Fatehgarh, Rajasthan. This year, Suzlon Energy's stock has risen over 25%, significantly outperforming the 7% increase in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. On June 4, 2024, Suzlon Energy shares reached a 52-week high of 52 rupees apiece. Vivek Srivastav, Chief Executive Officer of Suzlon Group's India business, stated, "Suzlon and AMPIN Energy Transition are dedicated to expanding renewable energy in India. We anticipate the industry will continue to grow, with hybrid renewable energy projects playing a pivotal role in the energy transition." Under the agreement, Suzlon will supply the wind turbines and manage the project's execution, including erection and commissioning. Additionally, Suzlon will provide comprehensive operations and maintenance services after commissioning. Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Singh Puri announced on Tuesday that the plan to privatize the state-owned Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited (BPCL) has been put on hold. BPCL reported a net profit of over 19,000 crore rupees in the first half of the financial year 2024. BPCL has generated more profit in the first 3 quarters than the amount projected for the stake sale, Puri noted as he took over the Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry. In an interview with BTTV, Puri emphasized that high revenue-generating public sector undertakings do not need to be sold. As India's second-largest oil marketing company, BPCL, with refineries in Mumbai, Kochi, and Madhya Pradesh, boasts the third-largest refining capacity in the country, following Reliance and Indian Oil. In Tuesday's trade, shares of NBCC, India, Limited surged up to 11.62%, hitting a high of 159 rupees and 50 paise. The stock was last seen trading at 158 rupees and 40 paise, up by 10.85%. So far in 2024, it has gained 93.67% at this price. The construction PSU, in a BSE filing, announced that it has recently been awarded orders worth 878.17 crore rupees. Specifically, it secured an order valued at 700 crore rupees from Kochi Metro Rail Limited. Additionally, NBCC has secured orders from Hindu College, University of Delhi, Institute of Company Secretaries of India and Oil India Limited, valued at 69.71 crore rupees, 8.62 crore rupees, and 99.84 crore rupees, respectively. As of March 2024, promoters held a 23.24% stake in the company. Stay updated with all market developments through our channel.